So as we get closer to the Roadworks sites, there's obviously a number of ways trucks can communicate to each other. Bill, a lot of trucks have UHF radios.
Yes.
They typically operate on channel 40 in Australia to communicate to each other. There's also the Roadworks UHF.
Yep.
This site will operate on channel 45. Now, if truck drivers do need to contact the Cunninghams Gap traffic controllers, they can reach out to them on channel 45, but we would ask otherwise that trucks stay off 45 unless they need to reach out to the traffic controller. But there is an opportunity there if a truck driver notices something's amiss or something might not be working for heavy vehicles. There is the opportunity to contact the traffic controllers here at this site on channel 45. Now there's actually a repeater station that's been set up at Cunninghams Gap, so the entire mountain climb will actually have channel 45 coverage back through to the traffic controllers at this site.
Oh, that's great. Yeah, communication. Come back to communication. And plus too, with the QTA and their members and able to get out to the media and social media, what's happening up here, like there's no reason why our drivers, should not know what's going on. Like communication's a key part. Everything's quite accessible, so if you don't know what's happening with the range, it'll be your own fault.